Has this ever happened to you?
Son of a... Are you kidding me?
So one day I was driving home and the sun was in my eyes, so naturally I put down my visor. And whenever I did that, the little clip on the visor broke. Now apparently this is an issue with Jeep Gladiators. I'm not sure if it's an issue with Wranglers. Now because of this, the visor will not sit up properly. This causes the visor to flap around. You're probably asking yourself, well, Gary, why don't you just go to the dealership and have it fixed because the vehicle's under warranty? That's a terrific idea, if the part wasn't back ordered several months. So you can either go through the trouble of waiting on the dealership to get a part, hopefully contact you, take your Jeep to the shop, have it sit there for however many days for them to fix a visor. Or you could try this solution for $20. So a buddy of mine sent me a solution. These visor clips, which are made by a company called TACCOM, T-A-C-C-O-M, and with one screw they can actually fix this issue. So the really cool thing about this is you're only going to require a T20 Torx bit to take out this screw right here, and then you're going to replace it with a Phillips screw that they give you right here. Alright, so the key here is going to be to make sure that you push this up as far as you can right there, and do not tighten this screw until you get it up there. Latch it across, just like that, and then you're going to take your Phillips screwdriver and you are going to tighten the screw, allowing it to hold this into place and therefore fixing your visor issue. I'll tell you what, I love it when a company can come up with an awesome solution that's not only cheap, but easy to install. Again, for about $20, you can purchase yours. I got them in eBay, and I'm going to link down below in the description the link to the eBay store where you can pick these up. Well, I hope you got some value out of this video, and I hope that I was able to share a tip that may help you fix your frustrating issue with your sun visor being broken. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. It allows us to make more videos like this where we can do reviews, new products coming out, adventures that we have, etc. Also, share this video if you found it interesting. Maybe there's somebody else that has the same issue going on. On top of that, hit the bell for notifications and then you'll know when new videos are coming out. Well, I've been Gary from Dixie Overland. We'll see y'all down the road.